discuss e-commerce platform and Xero. But before that, let's have a look on the third-party application that can be integrated to Xero. So let's log into our account and head over to App Store. To do that, toggle your Xero organization and select App Store. So while waiting the system to load, what is electronic commerce or e-commerce? The term electronic commerce refers to a business model that allows companies and individuals to buy and sell goods and services over the internet. E-commerce operates in 4 major market segments and can be conducted over computers, tablets, smartphones, and other smart devices. From here, you can find and connect application to level up your business with Xero. Under e-commerce, you can find a number of e-commerce platform with a pre-built application that is available and ready for integration. You can also create a customized integration with your own application. To set up this type of integration, your developer needs to be comfortable with writing code to build the authorization flow. And what are those e-commerce platforms? We have Shopify that we will discuss shortly, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Walmart. We can also integrate Magento, and we also have BigCommerce, WixCommerce, and WooCommerce, and also Squarespace, and a lot more. What is Shopify and how does Shopify work? What are the key features of Shopify or a variety of tools to help users to set up and run their business? Shopify is a complete commerce platform that lets you start to grow and manage your business. This is a subscription-based software that allows anyone to set up an online store and sell their products. It is a cloud-based software that gives small business owners access to an admin panel where you can store your products and process your orders. This software is easy to use and comes with an easy learning curve, so you can get your online store up and running quickly. If you're comfortable finding your way through the setup process on your own, you probably won't have any trouble. If you'd like a little more help or support through the process, you can also contact us. So how does Shopify work? Shopify works by unifying all your commerce into a single central command center. This is your admin panel. If you're a Shopify user with both an online and a physical presence, your inventory and stock get synchronized so you can manage your stores from one account on any devices. With Shopify, you can build your brand, you can build your online presence, so get a custom web address or a domain name that is suitable to your business. But building a website is not enough. You really have to promote it. For those who is interested in Shopify, you can try Shopify for 14 days. This is how it looks when you log into your Shopify admin panel. Your main navigation is displayed on the left-hand side of your screen. The first one is Home or your dashboard, where you can have a glance on the total sales, total session, or your total live visitor from your website, and other information such as fulfilling orders or payments. Next one is Orders, where you can manage your orders coming from your online store or from your physical store or any other sales channel. The next one is Products, where you can add a new product or manage your existing products or manage the inventories across all your location manage your transfers, manage your collection, and also your gift cards. The next is customers, where you can find the list of your customers regardless if it is coming from your online store or any other sales channel, or if it was added manually to the system. The next one is analytics, where you can generate a report to make business decision. You can generate a report to get a sense of your store's order volume and flow, as well as overall fulfillment performance, and see how products and location contribute to the gross profit and margin for your business. You can generate a report to gain insights into who your customers are and how they interact with your business. You can also improve the store by understanding how your visitors move through your site. And you can also generate a report to view your store finances, including sales returns, taxes, payments, and a lot more. You can also track and understand the movement of your products for more efficient inventory management. The next is marketing, where you can create and manage your marketing campaigns for promotion, to grow your audience, or to promote a sales event, or showcase new products across your sales channels. You can also automate marketing to show ads and send message to your customer based on their behavior. The next one is discounts. Offering discounts can be a powerful marketing strategy for your Shopify store. You can create codes for value discount, depends on the currency of your store, or you can offer a percentage discount or a free shipping discount. A customer can enter these discount codes online at checkout or in person if you're using Shopify POS for your physical stores. The next is apps or Shopify App Store. You can find Shopify application to help you build your business. You can integrate with external services, for example, your accounting software, which is Xero accounting software. You can also add features to your Shopify admin. If you need an application, you can find that application on the Shopify App Store. But most Shopify applications are built by third-party developers, not by Shopify. So if you need help with an application or sales channel that was built by a third-party developer, you can contact us, or you can contact directly the developer. The next is the growth opportunities with Shopify sales channels. You can sell your products online, on mobile apps, through social media, and in person. You can manage your products, orders, and customers across all platforms right from your Shopify admin. The next is settings. From the settings, you can manage your store details, Shopify subscription plan, billing cycle or the billing information, users and permissions, payment providers, checkout customization, shipping, taxes, location, and a lot more. Before we proceed on discussing the Shopify orders, let me just quickly show you some of the e-commerce stores that is created with Shopify. The first one is littlebidoo.com. The main menu doesn't come with the hover animation, so you have to click the main menu to see the sub menu. The next one is $1.dubai.com. So as you can see, if you hover the pages, the subcategory will appear, and they also have the sticky header so the users or the customer can easily navigate to their website. They also have the filter and the sort option to display the relevant information. The next one is nothome.com. So if you hover the images, it will dim and it will show the button Shop Now. The same with if you hover the pages, it will display the sub menu or subcategory. They also have the sort option. The next one is resmariascoffee.com. As you can see, they have the sticky header with transparent background, and the subheader doesn't come with the hover animation. They also have a unique navigation to browse their products. So they have left and right arrow key to browse or navigate other products. Going back on processing sales order in Shopify, to find an order or create a new order, you can navigate to orders and select all orders. You will see the list of orders regardless if that is coming from your website or other sales channel, or if that order is created manually into the system. You can also create a filter, add a column, or sort the data. You can also navigate to the subheader to display the relevant information. You can also process an order outside from your sales channel. You can create a manual order. For example, your customer contact you directly via Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp Messenger or Gmail or any platform that is not listed as your sales channel. To process an unfulfilled order, you can navigate to orders, all orders, and filter the fulfillment status. You can also navigate to subheader unfulfilled to only see the list of unfulfilled orders. Under the list of unfulfilled order, you can select a particular order to process a fulfillment. Under this order, it will be fulfilled in the Offers Warehouse location, although we can change the location or hold the fulfillment. You can fulfill this order directly by clicking the Fulfill Items button. You can also send the invoice to your customer or process the payment if you have received the payment in a different way. You can also check the other details of this order so you can identify which sales channel it is coming from. So in this case, this order is coming from the online store, and this order will be cash on delivery. When you complete the fulfillment and processing the payment, the order will be marked as paid and fulfilled under the list of orders on your Shopify. Let's head over to Shopify and Xero integration and have a look on how the orders or the data from Shopify sync to Xero. There are two ways to synchronize the data from Shopify to Xero. The first one is manually exporting the data by selecting a particular date, and the second one is to automate the synchronization. If you enable the auto export, the data will be exported after the midnight. Once the export or the sync is completed without the errors, the order will be created as invoice. The same with the payment, and a refund will be created as credit note. The same with the payment of the credit note. A product will be created or updated. The same with the customer. If you want to change or update the mappings of your transaction, you can click the Manage Mappings button and update the relevant information. You can also check the status of your previous export if it was success or failed due to some errors. So you can check the errors by clicking on the status, and it will advise you how to resolve this error to complete the syncing. You can also import your Xero products to Shopify. This will import your all inventory and non-inventory products to Shopify. You can also import your inventory level from Xero to Shopify. You can also have a look on the terms and condition between the two systems. Now let's head over to Xero and have a look on the transaction created once the sync or export is completed from Shopify to Xero. From here, you can tell right away that this transaction is coming from your Shopify integration due to the link that is created under this invoice. So as you can see, if you click this button, you will be redirected to the Shopify order that links this invoice to the Shopify. You can always check the Shopify order through the link if there is any update or any additional details that needs to be pushed to Xero. With Shopify, all the features you want, none of the hassle. Shopify make it easy to build and manage your online store. Shopify offers free and paid themes to make your store stand out and look great. Free and paid application from the Shopify App Store to expand the functionality of your store. Shopify's own payment provider to accept credit card and other payments. To mention a few available payment provider, for example, in the Philippines, crypto payments, local debit and credit card, GCash, GrabPay, bank transfer, cash payments for the COD or the cash on delivery orders. Shopify offers growth opportunities with Shopify sales channels and Shopify blog that has guides and articles about running your store and connecting with your customers. You can also connect with the expert around the world who can help you set up or design and market your store. They also have a dedicated support team available 24/7 to answer your question no matter what Shopify plan your store is on, and a lot more to learn from Shopify Help Center.